70% methanol solution. Methanol/deionized water equals 7:3. Weigh 1 gram of samples into a centrifuge tube. Add liquid 1 according to different detection limit requirements in the following table. Then add 8 milliliters of N-hexane. Shake for 5 minutes fully, and centrifuge at 4000 R/min for 10 minutes at room temperature. If using a mini centrifuge, take 500 ml of the mixed liquid from the centrifuge tube and transfer it into a 1.5 milliliter centrifuge tube. Centrifuge at 4000 rpm for 5 minutes to obtain the supernatant. Take 0.1 milliliters of liquid in the lower, add 0.15 milliliters deionized water and mix fully. Tear the foil pouch, take out of the test card and put on a flat, clean work surface. Pipette the prepared sample solution with the provided dropper. Then add 3 drops vertically and slowly into the sample hole. Read the result at room temperature in 8 to 10 minutes. Results judgment.